What's up, beautiful people? It's the Hairgodess here at Kevini Ogbiko, and in today's video I want to show you how I created this beautiful look. People, this hair is fire. This hair is just picking out the best out of me. I totally love it, and this is Goddess Locs by Darling Nigeria. Goddess Locs is a timeless African style, very beautiful and natural. So this is the hair I used. And guess what, guys? I used just 2 packs of Goddess Locs by Darling Nigeria. This hair is full. It has 50 pieces of individual crochets in its pack. So there are 50 pieces. That means everything I have on my head right now is 100 pieces because I used 2 packs. And then it is very, very lightweight, people. Come on. How can you even connect that? The hair is full, but it's lightweight. Darling deserves an award, trust me. This hair is everything. The color I used is color 1 and gold. You can see the tip is gold color, and from the roots down to almost mid-strand and a little bit above the mid-strand is color 1. That's black color, and the one I have here is color black and 27. So you see there are different types of gold, or different types of blonde rather. So guys, this hair comes in different colors. It also comes in single colors, just in case you want to use only black or you want to use only color 30 or just burgundy. It comes in different colors too. So Goddess Locs is 18 inches long. You can see how long it is. It's almost getting to my waist level. It's 18 inches long. It's 200 grams per pack, so everything here is like 400 grams, but it's also very, very light. And then I love the fact that the texture is very, very soft. If you observe, most Goddess Locs are always hard and stiff, but this is very flexible, soft, you know, very nice. This hair is everything, trust me, guys. So I'm going to show you how I use this Goddess Locs to create this beautiful style I have on, and I'm also going to do a style switch in this video. So guys, stay tuned and let's get started. To install Goddess Locs, I already said I'm using 2 packs. So I have my hair already cornrowed, and it's very easy to install. You can see how the loop is. It's also very, very defined. So it's easy for you to pass your crochet pin through the hair and knot it firmly. I'm doing a double lock so that the hair stays firmly and it doesn't unravel or pull out easily. So I start crocheting at the back. Okay guys, so I've installed 1 pack already. This is how far 1 pack took me. It's quite full. So now I'm about to start the second pack. So we'll start the installation now, and then I'll show you how it looks afterwards. Alright, I'm on to the second pack and I'm just doing the crochet. It's a very simple style. And I'm almost done, guys. Alright, now we're done. I absolutely love this style. Drop a comment if you like this. Drop a comment if you'd also like to try this style. So what I'm doing now is that I'm just trimming the tips with scissors to make everything look a lot more organized. And boom, we are done, people. This is so beautiful. So guys, I totally love Goddess looks, and this second look is amazing. Tell me which one you prefer, the first style or the second style. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want daily updates on beautiful hairstyles, amazing trends, you know, innovations, beautiful and affordable hair extensions, join us on Instagram at Darling Nigeria, where we put up regular posts on all of these amazing hairstyles. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe right away. Like this video if you really do like it, and share it with your friends. Turn on your notification button so that you can get regular updates. Thanks for watching, guys. Once again, I love you. Bye.